Pangmalakasan, Jericho, bagong ambassador ng Welcome to Maya Black credit card. May bago nga at pangmalakasang ini-endorso ang mga artistang sina Jericho Rosales, Julia Barreto, Maris Racal at Kobe Paras. Ang Welcome to Maya Black credit card kung saan pasabog ang naging video nila.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
Marami naman ang natuwa at tila nag-ship agad sa Maya credit card dahil sa mga paborito nilang ini-endorso. Sorry G, Maya na ako, ha 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 ha, at Jericho Rosales Official, ha 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 ha, biglang lipa. Love this, so cool. To see with love. Please title the movie Love Triangle. Ha 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 ha. Pasabog, right? Love, 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 love. We love hearing that. Best ad ever. Yes, must have. Love the support. Yehey at Jericho Rosales Official. Yes, Maris, Julia, and Echo. That's the energy. Cutesy. Love it. Ganda naman ito. Echo. Love you. Mr. Jericho Rosales at Julia Barreto. Movie of this triple S. Nice one. Congratulations to all of you. Grabe ito. So cool. Expensive ng ads. Crazy camera work. Sana may Maya option na rin sa TikTok at affiliate. Maris, Julia, Echo. Love, love, love. At Jericho Rosales. Official, lakas ng dating. How to avail this Maya card. Hu. Love this at Jericho Rosales Official. Wow, welcome back to Smart Family at Jericho Rosales Official. Julia plus Echo movie series please. Huge. Ganda naman Julia and Echo please. Hulala. Love this three. O diba, bonggacious talaga ang panibagong paandar ng Maya Black at talaga namang pasabog ang kanilang mga bagong nag-i-endorso. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.